What is up, Pyros? It is Bro Cracker back again. We were on a road trip over the weekend. We picked up some interesting items. We did get some fountains, some little ones and big ones, a whole bunch. A couple nice cakes over here. Some 2.5-inch shells. There's a nice peanut there. Some bigger ones. Picked up some fuse. We got some magic whips, which I'm actually going to be using as fuse, because some of these shells don't have any visco. So you're going to attach this to make a nice little effect fuse, which is pretty cool. Platinum X Cals, 5-inch. Never had these. I'm going to have to check these bad boys out. And we got some giant Texas pop rockets, which are about as tall as the X-Cal box. Pretty neat. I actually want to pop one out and take a look at it. These are by Mighty Max. They come with the safety fuse plug. I know everybody likes their Texas pop rockets. These are just a little bigger. This should be pretty cool, I guess. But that's what we've gotten over the weekend. So we're gonna get some more. This is for 2021 4th of July. Got a long way to go, guys, and I'm sure we're gonna do just fine. All right, boys, take it easy.